Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to carry your multi-tool. There are several ways you can do that, and I'm gonna show you some of them so that you can choose what is best for you. There are pros and cons, of course, with every way of carrying. And for those of you who have seen my videos before, you know that I prefer carrying in the front. Here I'm showing you the problem with carrying on the side, as you get tangled with stuff and you might scratch stuff as well, and thus I don't like to carry on the side. You can also carry on the back, as you see here, and that's a very sleek way of carrying, and it looks cool maybe. But it's not that easy to access your tool when you have it on your back, as you can see here. That's the problem with the signal. There's no way to fasten your lanyard. So it fell off here, but no worries. As you can see, I have some trouble with stowing it away again afterwards. But you can live with that maybe. What's more troublesome, however, is that when you try to sit down, the multi-tool gets in the way, so that it's not that very comfortable to sit with the multi-tool on your back, and that's why I don't carry it like that. And especially if you go by car, this way of carrying is really not the way to go, I think. So my preferred option is to carry it in the front, as you see here, and it has some obvious advantages. You don't get tangled as easy, you have easy access, and you still have full mobility, as you will see here soon. So you want to carry in front, as I do, but what holster supports this? So the Leatherman holster you see here, which is the one I use in model large, comes with a strap for vertical carry. But as you see here, I carry it horizontally. So I've obviously modified it, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do that yourselves. It's actually quite easy. All you need is needle and thread and some material for the new holders. So the material used here are some cut-off shoulder straps from a backpack. As you can see, it's similar color and similar textile as the Leatherman holster. So that kind of material is readily available, and you should be able to find it around your home, hopefully. And while doing this job, my daughter, she tried out different pliers as well to see which one she preferred the most for this task. I provided her with a Leatherman signal here, which is quite a hefty tool maybe, but as you see, she can perform the task with it anyway. She's using double thread, as you see, and I know that the thread she uses is thick canvas thread. And now she's trying out the Knipex Cobra. And as you can see, it performs quite well with this task as well. But the angle of it makes it maybe not the most optimal tool for sewing. And finally, she tries out the pliers of the Deluxe Tinker. And it's obvious she likes the spring on that one, since it opens up by itself, which the other two don't. While observing her sewing, I noticed that once she switched over to these pliers of the Deluxe Tinker, she didn't go back to the other two. Which one do you prefer? This one. So she finished the first holder out of 2 here. And if you want to, you can use a lighter to close the fibers so they don't open up later. And as everybody expects, these scissors have no problem cutting this textile whatsoever. As a common denominator, my multi-tools usually have these pliers, as you can see here. My first plier is on the Swiss Champ, and I've been using it regularly for like 35 years. The only difference between that old one and the new ones is the lack of a wire crimp inside the handles. So why did you go over to that plier on the Champ?
Because I thought this scissor was better, and I needed like both of them, not in the same toe, so it was easier to manage.
Doesn't matter that this one is much heavier.
No. But maybe if I would have done more delicate sewing, maybe it would have mattered. But it's like, it doesn't matter. So she's finishing up here, and the holster is soon ready to be used. As you can see, the belt fits perfectly inside the holders, and I'm very happy with the job. These Leatherman holsters in small, medium and large are really perfect if you carry multi-tools, since they fit almost all your tools and all your needs. Perfect, thanks.